Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I now announce the award of medals to the students who have excelled in the academics in their respective academics program. The criteria for the award of medal is CGPA 4, Patents Gold Medal, CGPA 3.75 and above, Institute Gold, Silver and Bronze Medal, CGPA 3.50 and above, Campus Gold, Silver and Bronze Medal. First, I will announce the campus medals. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Electronics Engineering, Muhammad Junaid, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. Abdul Rafi, Campus Silver Medal with CGPA 3.87. Waris Saman, 3.81 CGPA, Campus Bronze Medal. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Power Engineering, Afaq Ayaz, 3.8 CGPA, Campus Gold Medal. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Ahmad Rahil Jadoon, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 4. Umar Ali, Campus Silver Medal with CGPA 3.89. Zainab Amir, 3.87 CGPA, Campus Bronze Medal. Hasnan Hafiz, 3.87 CGPA, Campus Bronze Medal. Akasha Mahmood, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.87. Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Farooq Bilal Talha, 3.82 CGPA, Campus Gold Medal. Shahan Azizur Rahman, 3.72 CGPA, Campus Silver Medal. Muhammad Azhar, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.71. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Ehtishamullah, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. His father will receive that gold medal. Nawal Rafiq, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. Shamama Khan, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.84. Now, Bachelor of Science in Development Studies, Hamda Haroon, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.94. Aska Ibrar, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA. Aska Ibrar, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.63. Now, Bachelor of Science in Economics, Ikra Nasir, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.67. Barakatullah, 3.57 CGPA, Campus Silver Medal. Bachelor of Science in English, Rahma Noor Rafi, 3.98 CGPA, Campus Gold Medal. Maham Sayal, Campus Silver Medal with CGPA 3.76. Hajira Noor Abbasi, 3.66 CGPA, Campus Bronze Medal. Now, Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology, Sadia Khan, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.84. Anwar Zaib, Campus Silver Medal with CGPA 3.83. Aima Nasir, 3.74 CGPA, Campus Bronze Medal. Now, Bachelor of Science in Environmental Sciences, Samia Feroz, 3.99 CGPA, Campus Gold Medal. Abna Bibi, Campus Silver Medal with CGPA 3.94. Aisha Bilal, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.9. Doctor of Pharmacy, Pharm D. Hira Farooq, Campus Gold Medal with CGPA 3.88. Mudafia Ali Khan, Campus Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.74. Now, Institute medals. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Electronics Engineering, Mohammad Junaid, Institute Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. Abdul Rafi, Institute Silver Medal with CGPA 3.87. Waris Zaman, Institute Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.81. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Power Engineering, Afaq Ayaz, Institute Gold Medal with CGPA 3.8. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Ahmad Rahil Jadoon, Patterns Gold Medal with CGPA 4. Umar Ali, Institute Silver Medal with CGPA 3.89. Zainab Ahmed, Institute Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.87. Hasnan Hafiz, 3.87 CGPA, Institute Bronze Medal. Akasha Mahmood, Institute Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.87. Now, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Ehtashamullah, Institute Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. Again, his father will receive the medal. Nawal Rafiq, Institute Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. Now, Bachelor of Science in Development Studies, Hamda Haroon, 3.94 CGPA, Institute Gold Medal. Bachelor of Science in English, Rahma Noor Rafi, 3.98 CGPA, Institute Gold Medal. Maham Sayal, Institute Bronze Medal with CGPA 3.76. Now, Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology, Sadia Khan, 3.84 CGPA, Institute Gold Medal. Anwar Zaib, Institute Silver Medal with CGPA 3.83. Now, Bachelor of Science in Environmental Sciences, Samia Feroz, Institute Gold Medal with CGPA 3.99. Amna Bibi, 3.94 CGPA, Institute Bronze Medal. Doctor of Pharmacy, Pharm D, Hira Farooq, 3.88 CGPA, Institute Gold Medal. Thank you.